Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best semi-sweet chocolate chips is probably one of the most essential ingredients in any baker's pantry, transforming simple doughs into decadent desserts with their rich, complex flavor and satisfying melt. Whether you're crafting classic cookies, fudgy brownies, or a show-stopping cake, the quality and characteristics of your chocolate chips can elevate your final creation from good to absolutely unforgettable, making the selection process a crucial step for any home baker aiming for perfection. Understanding what sets one chip apart from another is key to unlocking a new level of deliciousness in all your baked goods. Number 5. 365 by Whole Foods Market Mini Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. Elevate your baking with these mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. They are perfect for cookies, brownies, and all your favorite desserts. Each chip is perfectly sized for even melting and distribution in your recipes. Enjoy consistent results every time you bake. Experience the delightful, rich chocolate flavor that will make your baked goods irresistible. They add a touch of sweetness to any treat. Made with quality ingredients, these chocolate chips ensure a delicious taste and texture. You can trust them for all your baking needs. These are a must-have for any home baker. Use them in cookies, muffins, cakes, or even as a topping for ice cream. The 12-ounce package provides a convenient amount for your baking projects. It's easy to store and use whenever inspiration strikes. What we like? These mini chips offer a great melt and are perfect for smaller baked goods. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on taste, these are a solid choice. They are ideal for cookies, muffins, and other treats where a smaller chocolate piece is desired. What people say. The mini size is great because it spreads the chocolate evenly through cookies and muffins, so every bite has some chocolate. They melt well in batters and hold their shape just enough in cookies, without getting chalky or waxy. A rich chocolate in texture and flavor. Delicious results. Number 4. GHIRARDELLI Semi-Sweet Chocolate Baking Chips. Discover the rich, decadent flavor of GHIRARDELLI Semi-Sweet Chocolate Baking Chips. Perfect for all your baking creations, these chips add a touch of luxury to every bite. Crafted with premium ingredients, these chocolate chips deliver exceptional taste and meltability. Elevate your cookies, brownies, and cakes with their superior quality. This convenient pack of 3 24-ounce bags ensures you'll always have enough on hand for your baking needs. Stock up and never run out of your favorite baking essential. Experience the unmistakable taste of GHIRARDELLI chocolate. These semi-sweet chips provide a balanced sweetness that complements a variety of recipes. Bake with confidence knowing you're using a trusted brand. GHIRARDELLI chips are a baker's secret weapon for consistently delicious results. What we like? Experience the signature rich flavor that melts beautifully into your baked goods. This value pack ensures you always have enough for your baking projects. If you appreciate a superior chocolate taste and a smooth texture in your cookies and cakes, this is the premium option for you. What people say. Melts very well. I use these to make dried cranberry blueberry clusters. Creamy, taste wonderful in chocolate chip cookies and any other recipe that requires chocolate chips. They are creamy and super yummy. Number 3. LIEBER'S Vegan Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. Indulge in the rich taste of semi-sweet chocolate without any dairy. Our vegan chips are perfect for all your baking creations. Enjoy guilt-free baking with these gluten-free chocolate chips. They are made with high-quality ingredients for a pure, delicious flavor. Satisfy your sweet cravings with our low-calorie chocolate chips. You get all the chocolatey taste you love, with fewer calories. From cookies to brownies, these versatile chips enhance any baked good. They melt beautifully, adding a wonderful chocolatey touch. Our chocolate chips are kosher parva certified, ensuring they meet strict dietary standards. They are suitable for a variety of dietary needs. Get more of what you love with this convenient 3-pack. You'll always have these delightful chocolate chips on hand for baking emergencies. What we like? Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with these vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free chips. They are also a lower-calorie option for those mindful of their intake. If you have dietary restrictions or are seeking a healthier alternative without compromising on chocolatey goodness, these are the perfect fit for your baking needs. What people say. I really appreciate this, as someone who does not eat dairy but dislikes the coconut flavor that King David and other brands can have. These are non-dairy and kosher, but they look, taste, and cook just like regular chocolate chips. Great for cookies and cakes. They still melt well and taste good. Number 2. Hershey's Semi-Sweet Chocolate Baking Chips. Elevate your baking creations with the rich, classic flavor of Hershey's Semi-Sweet Chocolate Baking Chips. Perfect for cookies, brownies, and more. Crafted with the quality you expect from Hershey's, these chips deliver a consistently delicious taste. They melt beautifully for smooth, decadent results. Trusted by bakers for generations, our semi-sweet chips are a staple in any kitchen. Experience the difference that premium chocolate makes. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have enough on hand for your baking needs. Enjoy the ease of having your favorite baking essential ready to go. From family traditions to new recipes, these chocolate chips are the key ingredient to creating sweet memories. Make every bake a special occasion. Their versatile nature makes them ideal for a wide range of desserts. Enjoy the perfect balance of sweetness and rich chocolate flavor in every bite. What we like? Get the classic, familiar semi-sweet chocolate flavor you know and love. These chips perform reliably in all your baking endeavors. If you're a fan of traditional chocolate chip cookies and need a dependable, readily available option, this 2-pack is a convenient choice for your kitchen. What people say. Delicious and really much more decadent than Nestle's. Wonderful for baking cookies, melting chalk. For ice cream, etc. The flavor is perfect for all my baking needs, while some other brands are overpowering in a slight bitter flavor. Number 1. GHIRARDELli Premium Baking Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. Elevate your baking with GHIRARDELli Premium Baking Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. These chips are perfect for adding rich chocolate flavor to all your favorite recipes. Experience the classic, rich semi-sweet taste that GHIRARDELli is known for. They melt beautifully, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Whether you're making cookies, brownies, or muffins, these chocolate chips are your go-to ingredient. They provide a consistent and delightful chocolatey experience. Each bag contains 12 ounces of high-quality chocolate chips, making it easy to measure and use. You'll have plenty for multiple baking projects. This offer includes 6 12-ounce bags, providing excellent value for serious bakers. Stock up and never run out of your essential baking chocolate. GHIRARDELli is committed to quality, using only the finest ingredients. You can trust these chips to deliver exceptional taste and performance in your baked goods. What we like? Indulge in the premium quality and smooth melting texture that elevates your desserts. This large pack is perfect for serious bakers or those who use a lot of chocolate chips. If you demand the best in taste and texture for your cakes, brownies, and pastries, and want to stock up, this is the ideal selection. What people say. They have a rich, chocolatey flavor and melt easily. The chops hold up when baked and don't melt away, with a great chocolate taste. Quality is first-rate and versatile enough to use in all baked recipes. Pure chocolate taste, no funny aftertaste like some cheaper chocolate chips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.